Who was the founder of Jainism? Options A. Rishabhnath, Parsavanath, Anantanath, Mahavira. So the correct answer is option number D, that is Mahavira. Mahavira was the founder of Jainism, and Rishabhnath is the first Tirthankara of Jainism. Parsavanath is 23rd Tirthankara of Jainism. Anantanath is 14th Tirthankara of Jainism. And this first Tirthankara of Jainism, that is Rishabhnath, known as Guru, and its emblem is bull. And 23rd Parsavanath, Tirthankara of Jainism, that is having the symbol that is serpent. And the main founder, that is Mahavira. Mahavira was the main founder of Jainism. Who was the 24th Tirthankara of Jainism? Options A. Rishabhnath, which we have already discussed earlier, Vardhaman, Mahavira, Anantanath, and Nan. So correct answer, that is option number B. Vardhaman Mahavira was the 24th Tirthankara of Jainism, and its emblem is lion. Why Rishabhnath is also called Adi Brahma? Options दिया है due to height, first to tell moksha mark, religious conversion, showing the path of livelihood. So the correct answer is option number B, that is first to tell moksha mark. So Rishabhnath is also called Adi Brahma because he was the first person to tell the moksha mark. And also he was the first Tirthankara known as Adinath Adi Brahma. Where was Mahavira born? Options are Lumbini, Pavapuri, Kundagram, Kapilavastu. And the correct answer is option number C, that is Kundagram. So Mahavira was born in a place that is Kundagram, and he was born to Siddhartha, you can say Siddhartha and Trisila, in the year that is 540 BC at Kundagram near Vaishali, that is in Bihar. Next, Vardhaman Mahavira is also known as options A. Jina, great teacher, great preacher, Jain. And the correct answer is option number A, that is Jina. Vardhaman Mahavira is also known as Jina. Why? Because he was a conqueror of physical comfort which had no effect on him. Who was the first disciple of Mahavira? Option has Tulabhadra, Bhadrabahu, Jamali, Charvaka. And the correct answer is option number C, that is Jamali. So Jamali was the first disciple of Mahavira. Which word has been used in Jainism for complete knowledge? Options A. Kaivalya, Ratna, Nirvana, Jain. And the correct answer is option number A, that is Kaivalya. So Kaivalya is the word has been used in Jainism for complete knowledge, or you can say for the perfect knowledge. So Rishabhnath, or you can say no, not Rishabhnath. So the Mahavira, the founder of Jainism, attained Kaivalya at the age of 42 under a sal tree at Jimbik Grama. Okay. Where did Mahavira give his first sermon? Options A. Sarnath, Rajgir, Kushinagar, Kundagram. And the correct answer is option number B, that is Rajgir, or you can say the Pava. A collective term used by the Jains for their sacred book is options A. Prabandhas, Angas, Nibandhas, Chartis. And the correct answer is option number B, that is Angas. Angas is a collective term used by the Jains for their sacred book. Who gave the slogan of live and let live? Options A. Rishabhnath, Parsavanath, Anantanath, and Mahavira. So the correct answer is option number D, that is Mahavira. Mahavira gave the slogan that is live and let live. Which of the doctrine of Jainism was added by Mahavira? Options A, do not speak a lie, observe continence, do not commit violence, do not steal. So among these, the correct answer is option number B, that is observe continence. Observe continence was added by Mahavira. Where did Mahavira died? Options A, Kushinagar, Pavapuri, Kundagram, Kapilavastu. And the correct answer is option number B, that is Pavapuri. So Mahavira died at the age of 72 in 468 BC near Patna. Which is known as the most important fundamental principle of Jainism? Options A, karma, loyalty, viraj, non-violence. And the correct answer is option number D, that is non-violence, जिसे हम कहते हैं अहिंसा. Next, where was the second Jain council held? Options A, Rajgri, Vaishali, Kundalwan, Ballavi. And the correct answer is option number D, that is Ballavi. Ballavi is in Gujarat and Mathura. Mathura, that is in UP, Uttar Pradesh. Next and the last question for today's video. Kalpa Sutra is a text related to options A, Buddhism, Hinduism, Jainism and Sikhism. And the correct answer is option number C, that is Jainism. So Kalpa Sutra is a text related to Jainism. So thank you for watching. अगर अच्छे लगे तो प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर कमेंट एंड हो सके तो सब्सक्राइब भी कीजिए.